So, good afternoon, everyone, all the children. We are studying the poem Library. You can see the explanation of the poem we all have seen. Okay, so now we can discuss the question answer. Before going to the question answer, I want to discuss the meaning of the lesson one more time so that you all can understand nicely. So, the first word you see is spade. What we have to understand? We have to understand speak or spoke. So speak. And then second one you see chaos. 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 Chaos means the formless matter supposed to have existed before the creation of the universe. Means so before the creation of universe, what was there? Before the creation of universe. Before the creation of universe, children, nothing was there. But some writers, some poets, some scientists, they used to believe before the creation of universe, something was there. When the question was asked to them, what was that? They said it was formless. Means it was not solid, it was not liquid, it was complex. We don't know what it was, but something was there. So that is only called chaos. Chaos. Okay. So now only you remember the meaning. In class only you remember. Chaos. Chaos. Chaos means before the creation of universe, something which existed, something which existed, that was formless, that was formless, no form was having. Understood? Then the third meaning you can remember is mastodon. Let me erase this so that I can write new one. Mastodon. Mastodon means large extinct elephant. Extinct means, first of all, you see, first I'm writing meaning. Large, extinct, elephant, elephant, like mammal of ancient times. So, ancient time means olden days, or I can say very beginning of the history. That time is called ancient time. After that, medieval period. After that, modern period. So now we are living in which period? We are living in the post-modern period. Okay? Or you can say that modern era only we are living. So ancient time one mammal was there, and that mammal now has become extinct. Extinct means now that animal is not present on the planet Earth. Okay, and that mammal was looking like elephant. And what the name is called? Name is called mastodon. So these things are belief, children. Okay, these things are belief. Mastodon, meaning you understand. This is a large extinct elephant-like mammal. Mammal means who give birth to the babies. Okay, they are called mammal. Now give me example. Hen is the example of mammal. Yes, cat is the example of mammal. Hen is not the example of mammal because cat used to give birth to the babies. Hen used to give lay the eggs. Right? Okay. So third meaning you see children, brood. B R U E E. My voice is audible. My voice is audible, children. Okay. Third is brood. You see brood meaning. Brute means beast. Beast I can say, or I can say wild animal. Okay. So animal and animal. Brute means an animal. So you can remember this also. Okay. That brute means beast or an animal. One more meaning we can see. Lethal. Letern. Lethal. Lethal means anything which is made of leather. Made of leather is called lethal. Now one by one we can discuss all the meaning. Spade means speak. Mastodon means large, extinct elephant like mammal of ancient time. Okay. Brute means beast and animal. Litter means made of leather. See the next one, press. So press means, let me erase this much first. So the next thing we can see is press. And here press means printing press. So printing press is a device children which allows for the mass production of printed matter. Next is revive. Revived. Revived means regained life or strength. Example, someone is falling ill and I am saying that the person is revived again. Means the person regained life again, the person become well again, the person got strength again. This is the meaning of revive. Then you see next one. Next one is cluster. 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 So it is a walk, a covered walk. Covered walk, a religious institution. So cluster means a covered walk in a religious institution. See children, in the yes Ankita say you are not able to speak. Unmute yourself and speak. Yes, that only I was going to explain. So you listen nicely, okay? Okay. Religious institution means any religious worshipping place. For example, have you seen children? So many people are going on field to some temples or some religious places. Have you seen this? Yeah. So that is called cloister in English, means a covered walk in a religious institution. For example, if people are going to, I can say Vaishno Dham, right? So many people there they are walking, okay, or maybe Delhi Akshardham temple. So they have to walk a long distance there in the temple. So that is called cluster. So many people are going to Makkah and Medina to do pilgrimage. There also they have to move, okay, around the Kaaba, so that is also called cluster, right? So Christians, if you talk about, they are going in the church, okay, and they are only they are walking. So that we can say that is also the example of cluster, right? Because the vehicle they cannot bring inside. So this is a covered walk in a religious institution. Next, you see prophets. So, who are called prophets? Proclaimers of the will of God are called prophets. Means they used to say that we are not speaking because of our choice. Whatever we are speaking because of the will of the Almighty God. Okay, so they are called prophet. So last class I said example also, like you can say if you talk about Hinduism, so Lord Rama is there, Lord Krishna is there. Okay, so they are prophet. Like that, if you talk about Christianity, Jesus Christ is there. Okay, he is prophet. If you talk about Islam, Prophet Muhammad is there, he is prophet. If you talk about Buddhism, Gautama Buddha is there, who is regarded as teacher also and prophet also. Okay, so like this we can see that all the religion is starting from prophet only. Okay, so children, religion used to be good only, people used to be good and bad. Okay, all the religion are good, but the people are good and bad, and we should try to become good people. Now, coming to the next topic, sage. S-A-G-E, sage. A very wise man. So, a very wise man, we are saying sage. S-A-G-E, sage. Wise man means don't think he is thinking only about himself is called wise man. No. Wise man, I think that he is having solution to so many problems. Okay, maybe either he has faced and he become wise man, maybe he has studied a lot and he become wise man, or maybe he is God gifted. Okay, he is knowing that for this problem, what is the possible solution. So people used to ask, okay, that can you please tell me what is the solution for this problem? And when wise people are giving solution, the listener is also able to think and understand that yes, what he said, no, I think he is speaking very wise and correct. Because the listener is also having brain. Okay. In this world, anyone is present, children, those who are not having brain. Can you say yes or no? Are you able to listen me? Yes. So in this world, anyone is present who is not having brain? Yes. So try to speak in between when you are asked. Okay. So no one is having brain. So wise people, one quality of the wise people, they never think that they are wise. So if you are thinking that I am a wise person, I am a wise child, then you are not wise child. Because wise people, they never think that they are wise. And wise people, they don't think this also that they are foolish. Okay. So what they are thinking, they don't indulge themselves in this type of thoughts. They used to study nicely and they used to make their brain busy in some innovative, creative, and good things. All right. Some more meanings are there. Let me erase the board and we can discuss the meanings. Right. So today one more period we are having. Still time is there. So one more period we have. Question answer also we have to discuss and meaning also. You see, Saibal. Who is Saibal? She is a woman, a lady. A woman in ancient times was thought to. So, a woman in ancient time who was thought to utter the prophecies of God. Prophecies of God means what is going to happen next. That is called prophecy. Okay, and the name was Sarah, and this lady was present in the ancient time. Ancient time means very beginning of the history, you can say, beginning of the world, you can say, that oldest culture and tradition, you can say, right? So we have seen the meaning, children, and few meanings are left, and in the coming classes we will see. Today only one more period we have. Thank you all, children. Have a good day. Join soon.